407 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. Now we are engaged in the great civil war, testing whether that nation or any nation so conceived and so dedicated can long endure. We are met on a great battlefield of that war. We have come to dedicate a proposed portion of that field as a final resting place for those who here give their lives that nation might live. It is altogether fitting and proper that we should do this. But in a larger sense, we cannot indicate, we cannot consecrate, we cannot hallow this ground. The brave men living in it who struggle here what consecrated it far above our poor power to add detract. The world will little note nor long remember what we say here, but it never forget what they did here. It is us living rather to be dedicated here to the unfinished work which they who fought here was those far no nobly advanced. It is rather for us to be dedicated to the great remaining before us, that from this honor did we take increased evolution to the cause of which they give the last full measure of devolution, that we here highly resolve that dead deed shall not have died in vain, that this nation under God shall have a new birth of freedom in what government the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth.